Alright, this review I'm doing just quick of the dewalt tstak toolbox, the long one, the deep. Here, tstak, yeah, latch spots right there and right there. You don't have any for the top. This would be your top part. It's got, right here, you pull these right there, up here. Got a couple of cubbies. These are nice. You can close it. Your bits won't go from one cubby to the other. Pens and all that, some locks. It's got the heavy duty latches like everything else. Love these things. It's got a spot for a padlock. It's a weird size, I don't know. It stays up like that. It does not have the spot for it. It's a dewalt Wi-Fi thing. It comes with this little tray. It's actually pretty decent. I don't know the ratings and anything on this. I'm just doing this because I'm bored. It's got the tray, really useful. And then down here, it's pretty freaking deep. Hammer. And this is my drill, a corded drill. Yeah, it's pretty. I love this box. I got it for Christmas. You get it 34 bucks on Amazon, Home Depot, 35 with tax. It's made out of the polypropylene or whatever the hell the rest of them are made out of. It's got the latches, handle, up. So the plastic through here, and this is steel, and then uses plastic to hold that in there, hold that handle in there. And these are the plastic too. Those are the plastic ones too. So it doesn't have it. These ones were a flop. They didn't sell as good compared to the rest. But I'd say it's pretty good. I'd say a Princess electrician could walk off with this. Don't mind this electrical. I don't do electrical. I just had it set up for electrical and then it became whatever box. The main hinge for this part here, the big, is the steel. The updated steel from the 2.0. So that is good. It's an overall good box. I love it. I also have a Craftsman 1000 series 26-inch combo pack out in the garage. Might make a review on that. It's a good box. So compared to that, I'd say it's a pretty damn good box. I love tstak because you can get the rest of the tstaks for fairly cheap, and it all clicks right together. I should be getting more tstak stuff soon, so stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.